Martin Luther King Jr. is an American civil rights leader and activist who was a prominent leader in the American civil rights movement. He is best known for his iconic nonviolent protests and eloquent speeches on civil rights topics, often delivered from the stage of the Lincoln Memorial. King was assassinated in 1968, just a few months after winning the Nobel Peace Prize. Martin Luther King Jr. was an American civil rights leader who was assassinated in Memphis, Tennessee, in 1968. King is best known for his role in the civil rights movement, which aimed to end racial segregation and discrimination in the United States. He also advocated for economic and social justice, and was a founding member of the Black Panther Party. King was born Michael Luther King Jr. on January 15, 1929, in Atlanta, Georgia. After graduating from high school, he attended Morehouse College, where he was a member of the student body president and a star athlete. He then studied at the University of Atlanta, where he joined the United States Coast Guard and ended his service in 1952. King became an activist after being involved in a bus boycott in Montgomery, Alabama, in 1955. He helped to lead the Montgomery bus boycott, which succeeded in end